Seakeeper was founded by two gentlemen who wanted to change boating forever. They both had done so in the respective markets prior to starting Seakeeper. Shep McKenney, who founded the Hinckley picnic boat, and John Adams, who was integral in designing the underway stability systems for maritime dynamics. They had both seen gyroscopic stabilizers in the world market prior and recognized the deficiencies of those products. Typically, the products are too big, too heavy, and too power hungry.
This kind of technology has been around for 100 years, but what we have done is taken other technological developments and incorporating them into that 100-year-old idea to make it practical.
We have introduced a game-changing technology. This is the device that has revolutionized the way people boat.
Seakeeper Gyro is small and is lightweight and the least power-hungry device on a per angular momentum basis in the market today.
When a customer comes to us, they want roll reduced on their boat. That's it. Seakeeper's proprietary active motion control algorithms and software enable the gyro to reduce resident boat roll as much as 95% regardless of whether the vessel is at rest, trolling, or underway. With our system being completely 100% internal, there's no loss of speed, there's no loss of efficiency. And this is important to the hull designers and the naval architects who are designing these vessels to be as sleek and as efficient as possible.
Gyroscopic stabilizers are inside the boat. They are speed independent. It has no bearing on speed of the vessel. And in fact, the gyro doesn't care if the boat is moving at all or is at zero speed. It works the same exact way. So when the boat rolls, the gyro counteracts that roll by implementing its righting torque or angular momentum.
It makes being on a boat not just more comfortable, it makes boating more accessible to more people. It's not often that you can change people's experience in such a fundamental way.
Seakeeper's IP consists of two parts. The technology, which is the vacuum, the cooling of bearings in a vacuum, and the tolerances in which we know work to make the thing spin at high rates of speed, and then the manufacturing processes that allow us to pull that off every day. When the gyro is finished and brought together as a complete unit, we actually put it on a custom designed hydraulic or electrically driven tilt table that are designed to simulate boat roll. And we actually use algorithms that were taken from actual vessels, and they simulate a variety of sea states in terms of boat rolls. So the gyro is then tested on these tilt tables in real world, quote unquote, environment. Today our gyros are in every type of boat in the marketplace today. They're on leisure yachts, they're in sport fish boats, they're on trawlers, and a variety of custom vessels as well.
We have over 1,200 gyros in the field on over 100 brands.
Seakeeper takes an active role in all aspects of the engineering, design, installation, and ongoing support around the world. We have developed a network of Seakeeper staff and personnel around the world to support and service our product.
The Seakeeper gyro is an efficient and effective means of reducing resident boat roll, which therefore reduces motion sickness and fatigue.
We always try to design our gyro installations to achieve, at a minimum, 60% or greater resident roll reductions, but typically we achieve somewhere between 80 and 90% resident roll reductions.
The Seakeeper technology is truly a game changer in the marine industry. Whether trolling in the trough, searching for game fish, or trying to enjoy lunch or dinner out at sea with family and guests, we say at Seakeeper, feeling is believing. Come experience it for yourself.
This thing is going to allow people to get into boating that never even thought about it in the past.
Once people understand what this can do, they will never want a boat without it. Just like you wouldn't want a house without air conditioning, or you wouldn't want a car without an automatic transmission. It's that fundamental to the experience.